Hey everyone, we are pleased to have you back here at the Coins Alert, your place to get your cryptocurrency fix. Ripple Van Winkle is your host for this event. I really hope that everyone is having a wonderful day. The 16th of May is a Thursday. It's a day that's perfect for playing softball. Only a single game. I had not realized that we had a doubleheader. At 7:30, there is only one lousy little game. What if I told you? Everything is going well in the neighborhood because tomorrow is a payday Friday in this area, which is a weekend. In spite of the fact that I am hoping that I will not have any incredible plans for this episode, XRP $23 to talk about the rumors, is it possible? Doesn't it seem possible? In light of the fact that it is feasible, we are going to explain it to you. It is possible that a large number of people are interested in what they wish to do. They want to revive the idea that XRP will never reach $20 or $30 due to the fact that its market cap is going to be too high. They want to put this back into the market cap discussion. This is a cryptocurrency stop with market cap, and believe me, that statistic is going to change at some point in the future. Hold off on entering these markets until the big boys have done so. They are not going to go with market capitalization. Regarding the values of Bitcoin, I will tell you that they are beginning to surge. The markets are looking promising. It appears that we are doing so, and when we are going to go from making a push at that likewise tremendous 74,000, there is Ripple selling off XRP. I am providing the areas of interest that Bitcoin needs to stay and hold above. What we know is as follows. Regarding that, I have you cared for. If we have any spare time, we are going to get a message from Greg Child. I'll go ahead and tell you to relax and take it easy, because we have something truly exciting in store for you. 66,000 Bitcoin, $243 over the course of the last 24 hours. The price of Ethereum has increased by 5.61%, reaching $20,999. During the previous 24 hours, it has increased by 3.05%, with both USDT and USDC coming in at its respective dollar pezzas XRP. A nasty and lean 51 cents sums it well. That is correct. With all of that action, Bitcoin and XRP are currently up 1 penny, and they are about to be up 2 pence. You have to adore it. To those who keep track of the cryptocurrency market at home, the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies is $2,412 billion, and 3.41% on the 24-hour chart. The fact that 2.7 trillion was the all-time high from 2020-21 through the bull mount market bull cycle is something that I find to be really interesting. Let's put an end to that Bitcoin 66K that appears to be in good shape, appearing to be in excellent health. The tweet was sent out yesterday, and it is possible that this marks the beginning of the next move to the upward within the Bitcoin market. Remember the message that was conveyed in the video from the day before. It is not likely that people will purchase red. It's possible that they are purchasing green at this very moment. I will tell you that there are people in the world who have witnessed the market beginning to move, and what are they doing for themselves? They are purchasing. That mindset is what we need to break in order to break that cycle of ideas, and we need to remember that. The feeling that we don't buy red because we should be buying red should be sparked in our minds. Red should not be causing us to feel fear, rather, it should be causing us to feel enthusiasm. We ought to be purchasing the red then, when we have situations like this, and when these cryptocurrencies are ripping me off, have a look at Solana, which has gained 13% in the last 24 hours. If you have been purchasing Solana for the past 3 weeks, you have been losing money for 4 weeks. You're doing really well, you just completed a 12% boost. That is exactly what we need to be doing, but the anxiety that individuals experience on a psychological level causes them to only want to make purchases when the market is in the green. However, it does not operate in the manner described above. The message that I sent out yesterday was exactly that. It was a very powerful message that was included within the Cranville. According to Cranville, I should evaluate my prejudice because I see that this is a situation that is equally realistic and makes sense to me in all scenarios to take into consideration. According to what we are saying, the $62,000 to $63,000 range is crucial if. In the event that we are unable to maintain 62 to 63, we are going to make sure that we avoid that final dip into the 59 to 60,000 range. We are going to descend once more. This teeny tiny chart is available. At 66, you can see that there is a push-up to consider. It is imperative that we maintain the 62-63 currency in order to prevent the swing to the downside. It is likely that you are inquiring about RIP. We are currently at 66 degrees. At what point do we need to hold? Let's get a weekly close, because weekly closes are always the best for measuring things like this, but monthly closes are always your best bet. If that is even correct grammar, then there are even more bullish indications in there. Let's give it some time, because just because we're now in a better position than it is, that doesn't guarantee we're going to stay there, right? First, we need to find out how this situation is going to have to be resolved. Now let's take a look at what occurs on a weekly basis, and then on a monthly basis. Yes, I am aware that it is going to be 2 weeks from now. That's fine, there are 2 weeks out. We have received confirmation that the price of Bitcoin is going to continue to rise. It's going to be a very eventful month of June. Here, this is quite exciting. It appears that XRP is doing well. You should realize that it is looking fairly well, but 3.51 determine whether or not we can bring XRP back up to 56 and then begin discussing that 60 cent. That enchanted number of levels and 75 cents, is it? From an XRP perspective, this is what we are hoping to achieve. Investors in Bitcoin, as a result, they anticipate that prices will reach the $74,000 regions as the pressure from sellers decreases. Whenever there is a spike in trading activity, there has been an increase in the number of calls that are as high as, I told you, I'm going to keep telling you that Bitcoin is going to be above 100,000 by the time the year comes to a close. 120,000 according to December 2024. All of the money that is invested in cryptocurrency is going to at least double by the time the year comes to a close, and we are going to see the total market cap of those cryptocurrencies. We are getting ready for an amazing half to third quarter and fourth quarter pyrotechnics like insane fireworks at a future year, something for everyone to look forward to. I realize that next year is about 6 months away, but that is when everything is going to go through a complete and utter disaster. On alternates, we are going to start seeing blow-off tops as well. That is the point at which I am presently in a position to accumulate my earnings. Oh, what exactly are lions? Do you have your NFTs in tow? Remember the promotion that is now taking place. Since we are transitioning to the physical digital things, we have just finished working on cameras. You can choose any 2 NFTs you want. You are going to get a Love Slides t-shirt shipped directly to you as we move and we push boundaries and we step into those tangible items with the NFTs. If you notice one thing, you will get these items, and the price of the NFTs has not increased. This is in addition to the profile heads that are included with any 2 NFTs. Take a look at that cryptocurrency news report. It is not the case if you are looking for a single location where you can obtain all of your news and information from a reliable source. In all honesty, what is yours? That URL belongs to you. That is the direction you want to go. Even now, we are continually making adjustments and altering things in an effort to make it ideal. It is possible that you will experience a few glitches here and there, but you are aware of how the website operates. It's time to go. It is operational, and it is updated on a daily basis with approximately 10 to 15 items that are related to Ripple selling off XRP. This is what we are aware of, and although I won't be reading it to you, this is what we are aware of, right? Have they started selling XRP on Ripple? Without a doubt, we are aware that they are. Does the amount of XRP that they sell on the market have an impact on the price of XRP? Because of the manner in which they market it, Ripple contends that it does not. My argument is that it does, and the reason I claim this is as follows. Imagine that XRP is currently trading at 50 cents and that Ripple sells 2 million XRP to the market. Okay, so the order books have dropped to, say, 49 cents because of this. In order to get that back to where it was before, it is going to need precisely 2 million purchases. And on the other hand, if we had been at that 50 cent level and Ripple had never sold XRP, and we had the 2 million buys that came in, it would have pushed the price higher. So with 100% of the effects, what is happening in the markets?